Good morning, guys. So, what a ride it has been. Over the past few days, the TSX has gone up 1.5%, which is a lot. As you can see from my portfolio, almost everything is in the green. I can just filter everything by gains. The only things that are down right now are the ones I transferred from Questrade. A few stocks that could really explode over the next few months. Air Canada could go back to what it was before, or at least half of that, so back to 25. Okay. Let's go in here and see. So let's go to the 1 year mark. So yeah, Air Canada could go back to its peak of like 49, 50 bucks. On the news, it went from 14 all the way to 19. So 5 days, yeah. This was the news of the vaccine from Pfizer, and almost every single stock you will see this dramatic jump up. Let's pop over to another one that could do big 360. Cineplex is one of them. Let's go to the 5 day. Cineplex had that huge jump up. So if you have money sitting out, make the choice if you wanna hop in. I have a few. I will probably add a few more of those stocks to my. Add a few more positions to that. But what I'm really sad about is I didn't get to buy my all 25 shares of my Pembina, because let's pop in here. It didn't do that much of a big jump up, but from 26 all the way to 31, that is a pretty good return right now. But today what I will be doing is I will be taking you guys on this decision I'm going to make to sell out my RSP that I have with Questrade and move it over to Wealthsimple, because I bought it earlier in the year when stocks were much higher. So I'll take you over to that. This energy company took it's down a lot, but these I will not be selling until they've recovered. I'll only be selling the ones that are actually positive. This one was just on the whim, just gonna okay. Market duration day, and let's try to sell it a bit above market. So let's CDZ. Let's see if we can do this. CDZ.to. So 25.40 is the current price. Yeah, so let's do limit price 25.40 and sell. And you see right here the commission that I'll have to be paying for $4.95. This is what I'm gonna. It doesn't charge you to buy them on Questrade, but it charges you to sell them. So I'm just getting rid of it. Like, I don't have that kind of cash to be spending. So this one, let's go with fuck it. Let's go with a market at whatever. Okay, this one is XIU. Maybe it's best to just do it the way I was. 25.41. They were giving me, let's 41.42. I think it might go up. Sell. Commission 5 cents. Net proceed. Sell. And throughout this port was mostly in the red. Every stock in here was paying except for Vermilion Energy, because they cut their dividend early in the pandemic. So that's why it's had a rough go. But with the vaccine being announced, all stocks may go back up. Most likely will go back up, and VDY, I'm just waiting because it's already creeping back to where it was. So I just don't want to take the loss there. So this one is XRE. $16.07. We'll just take. I want to guarantee it. Okay, so that was sold. That was sold. Quick refresh, and I'll just show you inside this portfolio. Let's go to balances right now. So balance right now is 700 in buying power. Profit for the day 68. Not bad. I'll sell VDY Ryokan when they cross over into the in the green. No sense selling in the red. Count. Port. Okay. Connectivity. And let's do dividend. So you can see all throughout the pandemic, all throughout the pandemic, I have been getting paid from these stocks that were down, except for the Vermilion Energy, because they cut their dividend. So it was them so deep in the red because I was still getting paid from them. But what I'm thinking of doing is just moving them over to here, my WealthSimple automated one, because I've been using WealthSimple for a while now, and I have two of them. I have my RSP and my TFSA. This TFSA is an autopilot one that I don't have to worry about. I hold the one I show you guys in the trade portion of the WealthSimple, but I want to move it over to here and just set it and forget it. So hopefully in probably a month or two, the Ryokan and that one will bounce back. The The Vermilion Energy might take a bit more time, but I have patience, so I'll just move over the cash that's just sitting to my Wealthsimple and then just wait for that one to come back. Thinking of that, my AVT spreadsheet from the last time. This when I made this this spreadsheet, like what, 14,000 to get all these stocks, almost 6. So you can see just how waiting and not jumping in the market can cost you a lot more than if you had made your mind up and just went for it. You'd have been in the market and had a chance to get the gain. And it can also work in reverse, where you could have gotten in at the wrong time and things fell lower. So it's all about personal preference, your personal risk tolerance. But I wish I had gotten a few more of the PPL at the good price, because now it's up to $30. So I'll still be buying more when I have a chance. When I move some money over, yeah, 31. So he's balling out right now. Yeah, 2% gain every day, total gain 11, 11, 11, 9. Whoa, this one just went crazy. Yeah. But that's my small little update. Everything is looking wonderfully. If you guys want to invest if you guys want to try your hand at investing, I have links in the description for WealthSimple and WealthSimple Trade, and no harm in opening an account. $25. Just think of it as going out to eat, and that's the way I stock to my portfolio is now gone. That's why seeing that the big red in my portfolio, that didn't bother me as much. I just thought of it like I went out and I bought something really expensive, and that's the way it is. But I have a chance to sell that out and make my money back. So once again, guys, just a quick update on my portfolio. I'll be making another video sometime in the week or next week. But for now, keep safe and have a blessed day. Bye.